Hey, Captain Chris Johnson here. I'm late because I was in Bangladesh. Quick live, a real quick one today. I am going to be advertising. Let's see what's going on tonight. We have 8 o'clock, a public Q&A. I believe Mike Ellis is doing the presentation today at the 8 o'clock, and then 9:15, Robin will take over. She has something to do at 8 o'clock. So those links, the link for the 9 o'clock is a private founders only. That will be in the back. That's already in the back office under webinars. And after this is done, I'll put the other one in there. So both links will be under webinars. That's at 8 o'clock is a public, and then 9 or 9:15 is a private. So hey, Lister, you're my only fan today. Isn't that nice? So I just got out of the Bangladesh webinar. There we go. Helen, great presentation last night, Helen. Hey, Brett, what's happening? Julie Wen, hey. Oh boy, here they come. Hey, Diane, Tanya, what's happening? Robert Oates, what's going on? Want to meet while we're here, November 2nd. We'll talk about that, Robert. Yeah, we were just on the phone, myself, Pete, Julie, and Angie they got this new app. It's pretty funny. Bill Muss in the house. Wow, everyone's Peter, sure, there you are. Hamp, what's happening? Samath Dada, how you doing? So anyway, we just got off the Bangladesh webinar. Really exciting. I'm going to throw a big shout out to my Bangladesh brothers and sisters who, hey James, hey Sherry, who are Jacqueline, how you doing? MD, they're really just wonderful people. Every time I go to that webinar, I usually go on Thursdays. They do have webinars every day, and they're just really warm people. Very, very nice, polite. They make you feel like that you've known them for years. So I want to give that huge shout out to Mahfouz, Akar, and the team over there in Bangladesh. They are growing so big and so strong. Why? Because they just love each other, man. It's just a wonderful, wonderful crowd in Bangladesh, and we're always excited to go there on Thursdays. So what else is happening? The 8 o'clock, the 9 o'clock. That's going to be posted in the back office. One is now. You guys know what's coming up here. Every founder knows what's coming up. You better get excited. What did Ash Mafar tell us to do? Start preparing. Start preparing, guys. You know what I'm talking about, you founders. Those who aren't founders, those who have not joined this amazing company now, I wish you would. All right, why? Because I truly do care about you, and I want you to be able to change your life. Get rid of that 30-year. Break that lousy cycle of you got to work 30 years. Ash Mafar made something where that changes the whole game plan. All right, so you can be that person that says, oh, he's not telling me the truth, because I am. And you can keep working those 30 years. Or you can jump on this right now. All right, we're so very close to what's happening, like a week away, to what's really going on. If you get in, you'll be able to know that, and you'll be excited about it. So I'm just telling you guys, this is the most amazing company I've ever seen in my life. It's got the most pluses that I've ever seen. And what are the pluses? Freedom, time, all right, monetary. The first three right there was what got me, all right? The biggest one is the compassion this company has, the compassion that Ash Mafara has. He doesn't tell us, we're going to make you rich. You know what he tells us? I'm going to make you wealthy. You're going to all become wealthy, but you better get out and help people. That's what he really wants us to do. And you'll understand that when we launch, when you see that "Oh Bless" everywhere. Like I said it yesterday, you're going to see "Oh Bless" on every news channel, because "Oh Bless" is truly going to help out, oh my God, with amazing things. Everywhere in the world. Everywhere in the world. Jim, how you doing? Marty Lowe, what's happening? Baholo. Gupta, what's happening? Judy Turner Miller, everyone's jumping on today. Fahir, how you doing? Listra, what's happening? Listra T. I'm never going to be able to say her name right, but it's an amazing company, guys. All right? A lot of people call me, Chris, why do you put yourself out like this? You know why? Because I know what's happening. All right? You guys seen the corruption went down the other day? And that's my new slogan. The corruption went down, Onpassive's coming to town. Don't forget that one. That's a new one for me. All right? The corruption went down, Onpassive's coming to town. And when it comes to town, there will be no corruption, because we're going to fix that. We're going to correct that. Our CEO, Ash Mafara, has made every country compliant to every rule. All right? He makes a decision. The lawyers look over, the legal team looks it over, And they say, nope, can't do it. Fix it. And that's what he does. So we're compliant in every country. No more breaking rules. No more stealing people's information. And that's what these other platforms have been doing. They've made billions of dollars off you and me, and they don't even care. If they cared, they would have made you a founder. All right? Ash Mafara, he cares. All right? Anyone can be a founder. Anyone. $97 gets you in. All right? That locks you into the pay structure, folks. When we launch, you'll pay a package fee. All right? And then once we launch, it's on 24 hours a day, 7 days a week. Doing everything for you. So you do get your time back. You do get your freedoms back. Go fishing. Go hunting. You know, I worked 32 years in the auto industry. And you had to sometimes, you wanted to schedule a vacation, you couldn't because 20 other people had it. All right? Get rid of that. Throw that clock in the garbage. This is different, folks. This is an opportunity to change your lives. Change your lives and everyone around you. And then get out and help people. All right? Oh, bless. I promise you, you'll see it everywhere. Onpassive, you're going to see it everywhere. And if you're not in this, you'll be a reseller. That's simple truth. You'll be all calling me. And you're saying, yeah, right, but you'll see. You'll understand when we launch. A couple more weeks here, you're going to really understand. All right? And I can't talk about that just yet, or Julie will get mad at me, and Angie. So, and Pete, and Ash. Oh, who am I missing? Ralph, what's happening? James Yates. Check out, guys, Bill Must. Bill Must, Timmy Johnson, John White do amazing things behind the scenes. They make the most, great pictures, great videos. Check out Bill Must's YouTube channel. He always makes a YouTube of my live, all right? That's because he's got the kindness of his own heart. I don't do YouTube. I told Bill, go ahead. You want to make me YouTube? You go right ahead. And he does that for me. No questions asked. That's why I don't share this one out. I wait for Bill to get the YouTube, and then we share that YouTube out. All right? Bill is an amazing guy. Timmy Johnson, amazing guy. John White, an amazing guy. They help all of us out. So show the appreciation and check those guys out. Always when you see them, tell them thank you, because they're doing so many things, and thank you with me goes a long way. But get in this. All right? I promise you, you won't be disappointed. And you'll be smiling ear to ear. But if you got a birthday today, happy birthday to you. If you're sick, we're praying for you. Still throw those prayers out for anyone with the coronavirus. Marty DeGarmo and his family is really doing great. And that's prayers. All right, we got Milo, Marty, Ash, and their families all got sick. We stuck together and we prayed and prayed and prayed, and they're great. Prayer works, folks. So I do send out my prayers to everyone that's fighting some kind of illness. And don't be afraid to PM me about if you have something personal or something that's going on in your life you need prayers for. I'll gladly shout it out for you. All right, I got to get going. Did I miss anybody on here? Yeah, if I did, I'll get you in the comments. I think I got everybody. But get it, Sherry. Durst away. There you are, Sherry. You remember Sherry was at my house a couple weeks ago. Pretty cool. We had a lot of fun with that. Looking forward to meeting a lot more people here in the next couple weeks. We'll see. All right, I got to go. It's coming. Get in this. Don't be living under a rock. Trust me when I say it'll change your life. All right, we'll see y'all later. Bye.